are blue. Every time I think I'm through, it's because of you. I tried different ways, but it's all the same. At the end of the day, I have myself to blame. I'm just your babe. You can buy a hair, it won't grow. You can fix your nose if it says so. You can buy all the makeup the man can make. But if you can look inside you, find out who am I to be in a position to make me feel so damn unpretty. I make you feel unpretty too. Never insecure until I met you. Now I'm being stupid. Used to be so cute to me, just a little bit skinny. Why do I look to all these things just to keep you happy? Maybe get rid of you and then I get back to me. My outsides look cool, my insides are blue. Every time I think I'm through, it's because of you. I try different ways, but it's all the same. At the end of the day, I have myself to blame. Babe, I'm tripping. You can buy a hair but won't grow. You can clip the nose if it says so. You can buy all the makeup the man can make. But if you can look inside you, find out who am I to be in a position to make me feel so damn unpretty. You can buy a hair but won't grow. You can fix your nose if you say so. You can buy all the makeup the man can make. But if you can look inside you, find out who am I to be in a position to make me feel so damn unpretty. I make you feel unpretty too. I make you feel unpretty. You can buy a hair but won't grow. You can fix your nose if you say so. You can buy all the makeup the man can make. But if you can look inside you, find out who am I to be in a position to make me feel so damn unpretty. You can buy a hair but won't grow.